Hey guys, what is going on? And welcome to another autofocus noise test. In this one, I'll be doing one for the actually one of Canon's most popular vlogging lenses, and that's this little guy right here, the Canon 10-18 IS STM lens. Now, one of the reasons why this is so popular is because of the price, sitting at about $350 on Amazon. So with the uptick in people wanting to vlog, I thought I'd do one for Canon's entry-level vlog lens, which is the 10-18. Just so when you are vlogging out there, how much of the autofocusing noise you need to be worried about, right? So the Canon STM lenses, that's the stepper motors, are supposed to be like super silent. But if you watch in my other videos, the 24mm and the 50mm aren't super silent at all. So why is this a good vlog lens? Well, that 10mm focal length is super ultra wide. So when you do get a camera, the normal kit lenses are normally 18 to 55. And if that 18mm focal length is just too close for your liking, really look into the Canon 10mm because it is so much wider and you don't have to like throw your arm out like 1,000 miles away, right? Okay, so a little bit about the test. I'll be doing it in two ways. I'll just put the lens on and then I'll record with the onboard microphones of my Canon Rebel SL2 to see if you can pick up that autofocus noise. And then I'll throw on a little shotgun mic on top of my camera to see if it silences it a little bit. The one that I have is actually the BOYA BYMM1 mic, and that's it's the entry-level mic. I think it's $50 on Amazon. Super cheap, super affordable. And then for the just a little bonus part, I'm gonna have it actually extended, which is the way I like to record. You won't be able to do this for vlogging, but you can do this in a controlled environment like I have it right now. Ooh, something that I actually forgot. For the audio test, I do have the camera audio recording onto manual. It's not really recommended setting it to auto because then it picks up a lot of the background sound, especially for Canon cameras, so I've heard. So the audio is set to manual. The bar is right in the middle, very consistent with all the other tests that I've done. Same microphone, same camera, same settings, so everything is fair. So without further ado, I'm just gonna pop this lens onto the camera and then get on with the test. Okay, so now I have the lens on my camera. Before I think I was filming at a 24mm focal length. This is the 18mm, which is as close as it's gonna get. And then you're gonna see what I mean. Watch this. This is the 10mm. Check it out. 10mm. Now you see why this is so great for vlogging because you get so much of the background in. You can see my couch, see my sink, you can see my microphone. Yeah, so this is what I'm talking about, the 10mm. Less is actually more when it comes to lenses and focal length. Okay, so this is part one of the test. I'm recording the audio on the onboard microphones for the Canon Rebel SL2. Okay, so this is part two of the test. I have the BOYA mini shotgun microphone mounted on top of my camera, and then here's the autofocus noise test for that. Okay, so this is going to be part three of the autofocus noise test. I have the shotgun microphone extended right over here, and you're going to see if you can hear anything. Okay, so that was the test. I don't think I heard any autofocusing sounds at all, so if you are vlogging, you're not going to get distracted. Something to note as well is the aperture is 4.5 when at the 10mm setting. Now what that means is the depth of field is going to be quite large. So if it does need to autofocus, it'll just kind of, focus a little bit, not too much, like with a shallower depth of field. Yeah, so I think this is going to be a fantastic vlogging lens. For myself, I don't see myself doing any vlogging because I like to actually enjoy my vacations when I'm out there. But I do plan on taking quite a bit of landscape photography with this. Okay, so yeah, fantastic little lens, super duper quiet. And if you are a vlogger looking at the Canon kits, please consider this one. And that's it for the video. I hope you got something out of that. Stay tuned for the next one.